Today, we're plugging into an exciting topic that's transforming businesses and the environment. It's all about enhancing workplace sustainability through electric car chargers. Electric vehicles are on the rise, and your workplace can benefit from this green revolution. Electric vehicles are changing the way we travel, and businesses are joining the movement. Is your workplace ready for the electric car revolution? In the modern workplace, sustainability is more than just a buzzword, it's a priority. Introducing workplace electric car charging stations. The sustainable solution for modern businesses. It's not just about convenience, workplace charging stations offer a range of benefits. They boost employee satisfaction, attract eco-conscious customers, and enhance your corporate image. Also, having your brand displayed on your electric car charging stations doesn't just power vehicles, it powers your reputation. Being a socially responsible business sets you apart. And here's the kicker. It can also save your business money as electric vehicles are more cost-effective to operate, and offering free electric car charging as an employee benefit can be a smart financial move. With workplace charging, you're not just plugging in cars, you're plugging into a sustainable future. So, if you are ready to transform your business, why not contact us today to discuss how we can help you build a greener tomorrow?